In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste images from Google into Microsoft Word. If you need to add an image from Google to a Microsoft Word document, you can copy the image directly from your web browser and paste it into Word. This is useful when you're creating reports, school projects, presentations, or documents that need visual content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy an image from Google and place it into your Word document. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, enter the topic or type of image you're looking for, then press Enter to view the search results. Once the results appear, select the Images option near the top of the page. This will display images related to your search. Browse through the available results until you find an image that you want to use. When you've found the image you want, click on it to open a larger preview. This makes it easier to confirm that you've selected the correct image before copying it. Next, right-click on the image. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Copy Image. This copies the image to your computer's clipboard so you can place it into another application. Now open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the image. Place your cursor at the location where you'd like the image to appear. Once your cursor is in the correct position, right-click and select the Paste option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and V to paste the image directly into your document. The image should now appear inside your Word document. Depending on the size of the original image, you may need to resize it. To do this, click the image and drag one of the corner handles inward or outward. Using a corner handle helps maintain the image's proportions while you resize it. You can also reposition the image by clicking and dragging it to another location in your document. If you need more control over how the image interacts with your text, use the picture format options to adjust the text wrapping and positioning. Before using an image from Google, make sure you have the appropriate permission to use it, especially if you're creating content that will be published or distributed. Search results can include images protected by copyright, so it's important to consider the image's usage rights. Once the image is positioned and formatted the way you want, save your Word document to preserve the changes. And that's how to copy and paste images from Google into Microsoft Word. With just a few clicks, you can add visual content to your documents and adjust it to fit your layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,